Listen, I know why you're here. You're not here for all the lovely content on my channel. You're here because you're pathetic. Your lawn looks terrible, you don't know where to turn, you don't want to spend all the money to have somebody come fix it, so you're here hoping for some stranger's advice. Well, good news for you, you landed on my channel, because I got about 5 great tips. We'll get you all sorted out for spring here. Follow me. We had a super long winter this year, and the snow lasted all the way till May, so now that the snow's gone, I'm going through the lawn and taking a look over the different areas, and I've got a couple trouble spots that I'm going to show you, probably common for everyone, and how to fix them, and then how I'm going to take the lawn and make it great for the rest of the summer. It's definitely not perfect, that's for sure. Got some work to do. So it's light here, so I need some seed. I'm going to dethatch here, because it's looking really brown. You can see some clumping there. And then if you go over here by the walkway, you can see where the salt really burned along the grass, and I need to fix that. Other than that, it's nice and green at the end, which is nice. And if you go to the backyard, the backyard's greening up pretty well too. So all in all, I'm going to dethatch. I'm going to get some lawn seed and soil down, and should be able to help make this good. I'm also going to give it its first cut of the year. The other thing I'm going to do is around the tree, I'm going to make a circle with some mulch. So I'm going to cut out a circle and put mulch in that to make it look better. So the first thing I'll do is I'll rake. I've already done that once this year. The other thing that I noticed with my lawn in particular, which I'm going to show you now, is that it's got some thatch, which is basically it's dried material that's kind of as a base layer. So I need to pull that off the ground and get that out of the lawn so that the lawn can breathe, and that when I put the fertilizer and seed down, it's going to take and it'll start to grow a lot better. So I'm going to show you, there is a specific tool for that. It's the Thatch Rake. Here's a closer look at the rake. You can see that the rake is adjustable, so you can change these screws right here, and this will allow you to be a little more aggressive with how much you take out, or a little less aggressive depending on how much you want to tear up your lawn. And then obviously it's just got a big handle. The rake itself is about $35. I got it at Lowe's, and it'll work really well to help take out some of that dead material. So that's the plan right now. A lot of stuff. Didn't look like it. First thing we want to do is we want to do some edging. You want to get a nice edge on your lawn before you cut it. We're going to cut it after that, and then I'm going to work on the circle for the tree after that part. But first things first, let's do some edging. Nice and neat. Obviously some work to do, but so much better than before. Now I'm gonna cut the grass, and if you wanna up your game, grab a secret weapon, and here it is. That, my friends, is a lawn striper. It'll help your lawn stand out from your neighbors, that's for sure. If you have a good thick green lawn, this thing will make your lawn look awesome. So, first cut of the year, not bad. There's lots of dead stuff in there still. I'm gonna have a few more cuts and some fertilizer here before it gets better. But definitely looks a lot better than it did this morning. I have patched the ground, as you can see, along the walkway. I thatched the grass, I fertilized it, and I went down by the tree here. Let me show you. There. Just a quick update to the video I did a couple of days ago. That was my very first cut of the season on our lawn. By all means, it does not look great yet, and it's something that I'm going to work on all summer. That's the joy of working on a lawn. I was just kind of having some fun with the video itself. The funny thing was, after I looked at the footage and saw how terrible it actually does look in some spots, I also got a chance to see sort of what our gardens look like and the flowers. and I took my wife out as soon as I finished watching it. We went out and got some new soil, we went out and got some new plants, some new flowers, and we spent most of the weekend digging out shrubs and putting in some new stuff. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys what that looked like, and I had a lot of fun working with her on that, and I think it makes your yard look a lot better as well, right? So anyways, just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it or you got something out of it. If you didn't get anything, you know, sorry. I really enjoy photography, videography, camera stuff, and my lawn apparently. So I really just have a good time putting it all together. And I think one of the things that I thought was really cool was when I first started on the lawn stuff a couple of years ago, I watched the Lawn Care Nut. Like most of you guys have probably seen some of his videos. He's all over all over YouTube, and his lawn is fantastic. And I really enjoyed kind of watching him work on his northern lawn when he still lived up north. And yeah, now that he's down south, he's got something completely different, which looks amazing. But yeah, I just thought it was fun, and I learned quite a bit from that guy. And I just thought it's fun to see the progress on people's stuff, and it's cool. So I thought, if you know, if there's some interest in it, I'll make a couple more over the course of the summer and just see if I can make it look, you know, better than it is now, and we'll see how it goes. But anyways, just wanted to share, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Talk to you later. Bye. Here's the garden and the new flowers that we put in. And this is what it looks like after we finished anyways. We added some shrubs. New flowers. Here's some new bushes. Nice, and we cleaned up the beds. And we added some hanging plants. There. Looks a lot better.